Hey everyone, Patrick with Rooted In here, coming to you from my own garden again. And I wanted to talk about annuals. We do have our share of annuals that we sell at the nursery at Rooted In. Some of my favorites that I put in my own garden, as you'll see here, are some of the Gomphrenias. I have Angelonia, even Penta, which are fantastic annuals, especially for pollinators. Some of my other more water-needy annuals, like you'll see, I even have a couple of bluebonnets in pots, but I have some petunias and even begonias, and I love tropicals, like you'll see the Persian shield, and even some of the other trailing tropical plants in my planters. They're in planters so that I can kind of micromanage, if you will, and water those as needed and possibly even fertilize them to get them through our heat. Everything else that's going to be more drought and heat tolerant, I can put in my beds. More tender stuff, let's put it in planters. That little microenvironment's much easier to manage when we get into those hundreds in the summer. Some of the pansies I have left over in my own pots, even managed during the freezing temperatures.